Welcome back to my channel. It's AIDadPreneur, Isaac Medina. Thanks guys for coming back. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys one of the most valuable tools that some are talking about, but I still feel that it's not getting the hype it should be getting. And this tool is called InVideo. InVideo has gone a long way. I believe it used to be Vietnamese. I might be wrong, but all I know is that InVideo is amazing. If you guys are looking into creating a passive income stream, creating a no-face YouTube channel, then InVideo is the tool to use for this no-face YouTube channel. So if you go to AppSumo, it's still there. It's only $99. You get a 1-year deal on it, which is way worth it. Even if you didn't have the AppSumo deal, it's still worth the monthly fee. And you get so many things that it's pretty awesome. If you start taking a look at some of the overviews, you get access to iStock, Storyblocks, Shutterstock. Those memberships alone are way more than the $99. So right off the bat, that's an amazing savings there. And you also get a video editing tools. You get to add a couple of team members if you have a VA or a small team, and you get all the features that are above, and also you get watermark free, so it's not going to have your watermark on there. You get access to 60 videos that you can export a month. That's going up to YouTube. That's great. You can even start maybe 2 or 3 YouTube channels making no face videos easily. And you get access to all these tools here, which is the best. And even if you start taking a look at some of the reviews, it's awesome. And it's pretty highly rated. It has 393 reviews, four tacos. That's award winning for me. So if it's head over to the platform so you can take a look at it. This is like the main dashboard. When you go in there, you can create a video that I've messed around here, and I've created a couple videos messing around. But the aspect that I really wanted to show you guys is the AI aspect of it. And that's a new feature that they've added. If you head over to the AI feature of it, you'll come here and it's going to ask you, okay, give me a topic, and detailed instructions. Okay, so I'm going to I would create a video for my, let's say, trading cards niche. Make the video 5 minutes long and share buying cards and reselling them on your own website, or even eBay can make you passive income, just like advice given from Gary V. All right, let's see. Generate video. Over here, click that, and based off of literally one prompt or one line, it's starting to give us, it's thinking, it's still thinking, it's creating its AI tools. Took a few seconds, and now it's asking me trading cards, your gateway to passive income, audience, trading card and card enthusiasts or entrepreneurs, Gary V fans. Yeah, let's do entrepreneurs. And then look and feel, minimalist, modern, professional, inspiring. Let's do minimalist, modern. Let's do professional. Platform, YouTube, of course. You can do Facebook, LinkedIn. All right. Hit continue. All right. See what it's going to take a few minutes. Okay, 5%. All right, guys. So it took a few minutes, and when it came back, man, it created this. I'm going to check this video out and see what it created for us, literally off of one prompt. But one thing I wanted to point out is that it's defaulting to 480p, but you have features of 720p or even 1080p. So I'm going to do 1080p and let's take a look.
Thought about making passive income from trading cards? Imagine tapping into a market that's growing day by day, where the potential for profit. Trading cards aren't just for the collector's shelf anymore, they can be a unique avenue for passive income. The increasing to a lucrative side hustle. So, if you're interested in turning trading cards into a passive income stream, into the step-by-step process. First things first, you need to understand the trading card market. It's a space that may seem simple at a glance, but the reality is it's as complex and nuanced as any stock market. The value of online retailers, vast array of cards, often at competitive prices. However, buying
Wow. So I'm not going to go through the entire video, but wow, literally off of one prompt, it gave us good quality 1080p HD quality video based off of one prompt. So that is game changing. You can easily create any business. You can even create like a video for your sales page with this tool. So guys, if you guys pick up this tool, it's going to change your business. You'll be able to scale it and you can do it without showing your face. So literally, this is a great passive income tool to use. And if you pick up my tool today or pick up this tool today, I'm going to include 3 bonuses and with your purchase of InVideo if you guys use my affiliate link. Now, don't worry, the price doesn't change. I am an affiliate. I just do get a small commission off the link that you guys use. But the price is not going to change. It's still going to be the same price. But if you guys pick up the tool on AppSumo using my affiliate link and go ahead and email me a screenshot of your receipt, then I'm going to go ahead and send you my 3 masterclass bonuses for you. And those masterclasses are, all right, those bonuses are, there we go. So bonus number 1, I'm going to include this masterclass, unlock the AI secrets, create a no-face YouTube empire. And then with AI. Bonus number 2 is a masterclass on AI powered cash machines, build evergreen affiliate sites. And bonus number 3, automate your wealth, AI strategies for passive income mastery. So I'm going to include those 3 masterclasses for you guys if you guys purchase InVideo through AppSumo with my affiliate link. So yeah, if you guys want those bonuses, make sure to email me in your screenshot of your receipt, and I will go ahead and have my team send you those masterclasses that I've created, and you guys will pick those up. So make sure you guys use my affiliate link, and all the information will be down below in the description. And let's get started, guys. Let's do it. I'll see you on the next one.